Hi there. Welcome to our second video about Crypto Pandas. In our first video, we explained what Crypto Pandas is. Crypto Pandas is a library that allows you to work effortlessly with CCXT and Pandas so that you can retrieve data using just one line of code into a Pandas DataFrame. We saw how you can easily install it using pip install and how you can query the data that you want in one line of code. Now, Crypto Pandas is even more powerful than that. Crypto Pandas allows you to send, edit, and cancel orders all from a Pandas DataFrame in just one line of code. So let's have a look at how we can do this. Just like in our first video, we're going to need to import the necessary libraries such as CCXT and Crypto Pandas. And we are going to need to create an exchange object and a Pandas exchange object as such. To send orders, you will need an API key and an API secret, which you can create on your exchange of choice. Here, we will be using the Sandbox exchange in order not to execute any real trades. And so once you have done your data analysis and created a Pandas data frame that you would like, you can go about sending orders. So in our example, we will be sending 4 orders, 2 buy orders, 2 sell orders, and 2 orders will be in the money and 2 orders will be out of the money, which is to say that we will have 2 orders which will execute and lead to trades and 2 orders which will not execute and will remain floating. As you can see here, we have a Pandas data frame of orders we would like to have for the BNB contract. What's nice about Crypto Pandas is that it handles many annoying tasks for you, such as determining the amount of asset you want to buy based on the amount of USD or euros you want to buy. So here we have a column called notional, which corresponds to the amount of USD we want to buy. And behind the scenes, Crypto Pandas will automatically calculate for you how much BNB you would want to buy. So once we have created our data frame, we can simply send them to the exchange using the pandas exchange.createOrders function. And as you can see here, we get a response corresponding to 4 orders. The last one and the first one have both executed a quantity of 0.01 on the exchange. The second and the third order have not executed and are still floating. Let's have a look on Binance testnet if they are indeed still there. As you can see, we have 2 floating orders still here, and we have 2 orders which have executed into trades. Great. We can also retrieve our trades into a Pandas data frame. And so here we get 4 trades because we have run this example a few hours ago. We can use Crypto Pandas to get our open orders in a Pandas data frame. So here we have the 2 orders we saw earlier on Binance testnet. And we can even edit those open orders as such. So in this example, we're going to be taking our open orders and doubling the volume. All right, and as you can see here, we now have 0.02 BNB rather than 0.01. And finally, we can also just cancel our orders with one line of code. So as you can see, Crypto Pandas is a super powerful tool which allows you to do your algorithmic trading with as few lines of code as possible and leading to as few bugs as possible. And all of this can be done from the comfort of a Pandas data frame. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions about how to use Crypto Pandas or any additional features you would like to see. As always, more information can be found on our GitHub, and the examples shown in this video can be found on Binder. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you in a future video.